Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking a Moroccan style wood-fired spatchcock chicken. So I've got this beautiful spatchcock chicken here, free range, and I'm going to be cooking it Moroccan style with some nice fragrant herbs in this wonderful Bushman Santorini oven. And I'm really excited. It's a new bit of kit for me to try out. I always tend to go for a nice chicken to cook for my first cooking a new bit of kit. It gives me an idea of the control, the temperatures and how it cooks. So I'm really excited to be trying this new beautiful oven out. Look at it, isn't it a stunning bit of kit? So we fired up the oven last night to dry it out, to get it seasoned, and it's sat at 150 degrees now, 12 hours later, which shows it's got amazing heat retention. I'm really excited to cook on it. So it's almost ready to cook. I just need to stoke it up a little bit, add a little bit of extra heat with some nice silver birch that I'm going to add to it, and that'll just give it a little bit of flame just so it ticks over. We're looking for about 180 or so to cook this chicken, and that'll be perfect temperature. So either side of the backbone there, and nice heavyweight sharp knife. You can do it with poultry shears as well, but that just comes out nicely. Tidy up any loose bits. And then what I do is just a little nick either side of the breastbone there, and then that should go nice and flat. And why you do this is you've got a nice flat surface there. That will ensure even cooking, and you don't want it too high in the wood-fired oven because the top of it will catch quite quickly if you've got the flames going over the top, and the heat, there's more heat at the top. So a nice flat surface like that just allows the hot air to go over it and to crisp up that skin lovely. A little bit of olive oil on the inside, bit of salt, and some Za'atar. It's like a Moroccan Middle Eastern spice. It's very fragrant and delicious, and it's going to work really well with this chicken. Again, just a little bit of olive oil over the top. Just helps everything stick to it. Okay, so this is all seasoned up lovely. I'm going to pop it on a tray with a bit of foil just into here. This is about 160 it's going to be, and it just feels a nice good heat. I've got the log silver birch ticking over there. It's not going to get too hot, just so there's a little bit of flame, and that will cook slowly, and that should be about 30 or 40 minutes. And I'll be checking it. The skin should crisp up nicely over the top as the heat and the flame just crisps up over the top. I'll be checking it with a thermometer, digital thermometer, to check it's cooked through, and yeah, that's really good. In the meantime, I'm going to prep up some veg to go with this, and that'll go in after about 10-15 minutes, and that'll take about 20 minutes or so to cook up. So I'm just putting the couscous here, and this will soak up all the juices in the bottom of the pan from that wonderful chicken roasting, and it'll just add loads of flavour to it, and soak up the flavour with the roasted vegetables as well, and it'll just come together and it'll be delicious.
Well, Marcus, I have to say, it's been an amazing morning, buddy.
Thank you.
The food is just a testament to your book, your style, your creativity, and I just can't wait. So if there's anybody out there that is intrigued, anybody else wants to find out a little bit more about the Santorini Bushman wood-fired oven, then I encourage you just to click on the link and follow it through, and hopefully you too can start your real Bushman wood-fired oven journey and really dive into cooking fantastic food on a real wood-fired oven with just the right amount of thermal mass.